Hi, in this video I will show you how you can remove the battery cover for your GoPro Hero 6, 5 or the 7. This is the version 6. Now it is a bit hard to pull it out. It's not very easy, but you can pull them out, and it's meant to be pulled out if you need to access to the USB charging port with a case cover on. So you can see here I have pulled out the cover, and it is holding to this metal bar in the center right here. And you can pull it right out. So you need the flap up, so you need to pull up these directions and then outwards. So push up and then outwards this way. So we're just going to try to do it right now. It is not so easy, and sometimes it can be scary because you feel like you're going to break it. You can see, you can just pull it right out. It comes out. It can be a little bit scary. You feel like, oh, am I going to break this or not? But you know, it won't break. It's really hard. You can see here, this is the cover clip that it clips on. It's quite hard. And to put it back in, it's just simply, now you can see this is what it looks like. So just push it back in, and you should hear a click when we push it back in. Just trying to do it at a right angle so that you can see. There it is. You can hear the click, and that's it. That's how you can push it in and out. So let's try it again. Let's do it again so you can see it again. So here I'm just gonna hold this. So hold into this rubber parts here, and then drag it out, and that's it. You can see if you just drag it out, it come out, pull it out. So I know if you pull it out, it's a bit hard. You're worried you're going to break the plastic, but it looks quite strong. So again, one more time. This is the third time. Push up, then outwards. So as you pull up, try to push it this way as well, and then kind of like move it like that if it helps a little bit, and then it just come out like that. And then now you can put the case on, and then you'll be able to access the charging ports and the HDMI ports right here. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If it is helpful and you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I'm just gonna put it back in before we finish off. There it is. You can hear the click. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video.